Okay, we head on to Suno. Then we'll go to create. Okay, as usual, I've done the audio already. So this is the audio. Let me quickly play it. Happy birthday. Okay, so that was the intro, then the song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. We wish you many, many, many years. 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 So happy birthday, singing happy birthday, happy birthday to. So I was just trying to add some of those feel I want into the song. So we'll go to audio, then we'll go to upload, and then I'll open the folder. Let me make you. Okay, so as usual, if you've been following my tutorial, here you can trim some parts you do not want. Yeah, it's a bit long, so it can only pick 1 minute. So let us play. Happy birthday. Okay, it's the same. Okay, fine. We'll save it. Let's upload it. You can see it's uploading. Let us wait for it. So before it finish uploading, it's showing us that we can do cover, which means cover audio in any song style. That's what we're going to do. We can make an extension, which means to make the audio longer. Then we can also save to library. Okay, it's in. It has been uploaded. But where the magic happens is the style. Okay, let's quickly do that right away. So go to remix and we'll click on cover. So that is going to be uploaded to our left hand side here. Okay, you can see it here. I can play it so you can hear. Look at it. So that is me just humming the instrumental part. So I've created a wonderful prompt from chat, which I have put together here. You can take your time to go through it or copy exactly. So I want to generate a nice swing happy birthday song. So you can go through the prompt. If you want something similar, you can just copy my prompt and then use. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then copy it, and then I'll go to Suno AI at the style. Remember, that's where the magic happens, and then I'll paste it. Okay, so the next adjustment, I'll go down to advanced. I'll go to pick. I want a male voice. Okay, great. Then I will leave it a manual, so it will have my feel a little bit. You can adjust weirdness, like I've said in my last video. If you want to do that, you have to go for pro version. Then you can just title this. Let me say happy birthday remix. Okay, so let's leave it that way so that we can trace our file. So what else again? The only thing we didn't do here is just the lyrics. Most time, once you click on cover, you see the lyrics down here. But if it's very important to you, you can just type in the lyrics manually. So we'll go straight down to create down here, and then you can see at the workspace area we have 2 audios being created. So we're going to listen to it if it have the same feel as what you have in your mind. Okay, the 2 are ready, so let us play and see. You wish manly, manly, manly dust. You wish manly, manly, manly dust. You wish manly, manly, manly dust. So happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. It's good. I think something happened to the lyrics, so which means I have to go back and impute the lyrics of what I'm saying. There's some language is speaking that I don't understand. Let's listen to the second one. Okay, that was great. It has the blues feel, the jazz swing feel I wanted. But so the second one here is full instrumental. But the first one, which I want the lyrics, it's mess up some things, so which means I have to impute the lyrics. So let us quickly adjust that right away and then regenerate. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I will just delete this. Don't worry, this will still remain. I will keep the prompt. Okay. I will just impute the lyrics so that we can have a good um, words in our song. Okay, so this is the lyrics. So happy birthday to you twice. We wish you many, many, many years, many, many, many years. Okay, we wish you twice, many, many, many years. Then happy birthday to you. So I'll just copy this, go back to the uploaded audio. Remember, let me play it again. So that's the audio. I'll come to remix and then come to cover. Then it has been loaded. So I'll just copy the lyrics here now. Okay, great. So lyrics is there. You can also play it here again to confirm. Happy birthday, happy. Then another thing I'm going to do is that I want the ons to slow at the end. So I will impute that at the start and slow at the end. So that's it there. We can scroll down to advanced. Okay, so if it's closed, this is how it's going to look like. If it's closed, it's like this. So we're picking a male voice, then lyrics mode, put at the manual mode, which means the way I've put it. Then weirdness, as usual. So with this one, we're going to make it 002. Okay, and then we hit on create. Okay, then wait here. It's generating. Okay, good. We have the first one. Let's wait for the second one. And then we listen to the one that resonates what we have in mind. Okay, so let's listen to the first one.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. We wish you many, many, many. We wish you many, many, many. We wish you many, many, many. We wish you many, 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 many.
It's better, but it syncopated my rhythm actually.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We wish you many, 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 many years. We wish you many, many, many years. We wish you many, many, many years. We wish you many, many, many years. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Correct. So this is better. This is better. This really resonates with the audio I uploaded. Okay, unlike this one. This one is better. The first one is better, just that the lyrics wasn't there. So I have to quickly impute the lyrics. So this is how you can use Suno AI to create a jazzy swing happy birthday song. You can also try that out for yourself.